nakumbuzo engiwutholayo guys babuzungu kanti iFibonacci zingaki indlela esingasebenzisa ngayo iFibonacci ukuze sikwazi ukuzenzela inzuzo emarket. Khumbulani guys le video akusiyona ikunikeza financial advice kodwa yenzelwe inhloso yokusharela information nokuthi ukwazi ukusebenzisa iFibonacci ngendlela efanele. So umbuzo uthi kanti zingaki indlela zokusebenzisa iFibonacci? Guys kuya ngokuthi yini lo ufuna ukuyiachieve emarket. Njengoba ningene emaklasini ngiyakwazi ukumfundisa izinto eziningi about iforex but nje lana siyapolisha. Njengoba senza kanje siyapolisha. So ithini ngichazele indlela ezihlukahlukene ongakwazi ukusebenzisa ngazo ini iFibonacci, okay? Alright. So ake ngiqale ngidelete le Fibonacci bese ngiya ku daily time frame. Daily time frame sengifikile guys. Nizokhumbula ukuthi besilibele sisebenzisa iFibonacci yethu sehla nawo njalo and then mayifika lana imarket yaqala yenza njani iretest. So bese sisebenzisa iFibonacci yethu sisuka kuleli khandlela leli elavala kwi moving average sakhuphuka nalo njalo silokhu siya ngamakhandlela asinikeza i161 then ekugcineni saze sazofika kuleli khandlela leli guys njoba siyibekile lapha iFibonacci yethu angithi sazofika kuleli khandlela leli udaily time frame lona sihamba ngani ngama key zone wethu we external structure. Remember Sitheni as long as singakayithinti i161 asimove iFibonacci yethu. So siyabona ukuthi sina 2 days yabo after this candlestick sina 2 days singayimove iFibonacci ngoba womabili lamakhandlela alokhu etrader inside ikhandlela lethu lanini lange14 zaka November 2025. So sibheke umarket ukuthi ifike kuphi ku161 noma ifike ku241. Yabona lo nto leyo sinani lapha ku241 uyabona ukuthi sinani uma ubheka lana ku241 siqondene ngqo nala imarket ebiyenze njani ebikade iconsolidate khona guys angithi ku161 siqondene nani siqondene ngqo nala imarket efika sinikeza khona ini i-double bottom. Yabona lo nto leyo guys. So lama zone siyawabuka ukuthi aqondene nani. Look left, trade right. Okay. So now into sesiyenzileke lana guys simakile ama zone wethu sisebenzisa ini iFibonacci angithi sisebenzisa ikhandlela lethu le daily elivale kuphi elisinikeze i161 masuka kuleli khandlela and then sathola i161 there samaka amazone wethu. So angisayidingi iFibonacci la sengiyayidelete ngoba senginawo ama key zone wethu. So umunye uzobuza ukuthi why babuzungu la ungamakanga amazone waleli khandlela just ukuthi si maintain a cleanliness guys. Izone le iphakathi kwale high nale low noma iphakathi kwala nala so uyazi ukuthi izinto zihamba kanjani kule khandlela lethu la izolo guys. So amazone wethu ngicanga ukuthi abaleke kakhulu ilo high nalo low. Yabona lo nto leyo sharp. Asiyeni ke ku 4 hours sibona ukuthi ikhona inenye indlela besingasebenzisa ngayo iFibonacci. Siyeni ke ku number 4 hour time frame wethu. 4 hour time frame wethu siyabona ukuthi sinani guys. Okay, let's look left iqali la kwa left sinani sine fair value gap right. Yabona ukuthi market ijike khona sinani sine supply angithi niyayibona guys i-supply zone yethu nansi angithi niyabo na i-supply zone yethu and then bese siba nani sibe ne fair value gap. Le market ijike kuphi ijike ku fair value gap guys. Okay right. So asibuyeleni ke lapha yana. So sizothini njalo sizothi ngezi 13 zaka November 2025 sasithole an evening star. Then sathi ke okay sifuna ukuthi ke manje si trade in a direction yale evening star. Khumbula lamanye amakhandlela bezobe engekho lawo wonke lawa from ngo8 ebusuku bezobe engekho ngoba khona sithola ini i-reversal candlestick pattern yethu evening star. Therefore sithatha leli khandlela le evening star sibeka u0 wethu ku high sibeka u100 wethu ku low sitargeta abane guys sitargeta u161 nangu 161 boo hit angithi yabona lo nto leyo ukuphi 161 wethu ukuyibullish fair value gap and then ukule high le. Angithi ayibone lonto leyo guys. All right, if bofuna ukubamba some more then ubungakwazi ukuthi uzofika kuphi la ku 341 sesikule high le ela yabo and siku fair value gap le engapha futhi angithi niyabona lonto leyo nalana kusesenani kusesene fair value gap guys. Okay, sharp. Sibonile sifikile nge341 noma nge241 simnandi si happy iprofit yethu siyenzile ku 161 if besesene appetite besoyenza na ku 241 but asigcile kuleya ka 161 because ine yenzakele la sibonile imarket eyenzani guys i-retester heavily ifike ku 161 yashaya i-retest yaze zofika kuphi kuyi-golden zone guys, kuyi-golden zone angithi niyabona lonto leyo golden zone guys, right? So sibonile ukuthi ngo-12 ebusuku imarket yethu was retesting and then ngo-4 ekseni imarket yethu was retesting, right? And then ngo-8 ekseni imarket yethu was retesting, right? I mean, so it was going down now, coming from the golden zone going down, and it's closing below ulonduzana ilo yali lekhandlela lethe green as a nice confirmation nakhona ukuthi guys we are ready, we are going down angithi yabo. So that was our one way yokusebenzisa ini Fibonacci, sebenzisa ini reversal candlestick pattern sathatha ini ikhandlela eli1 why le khandlela livale below ini moving average angithi niyabona lonto leyo sharp. Then way number 2 khumbula imarket yakho ayikakafiki la kuma green dots yabo, ayikakafiki la kuma green dots, ayikakasinikezi i supply because izile yawathinta ama green dots yavala above, therefore that was not a supply zone, not yet confirmed, but did knock on our supply I mean on the green dots fike yangqongqoza ukuthi hey nikhona ama bulls athi yebo sikhona ayipusha up yabo and then yasiya retest yabona lonto leyo. All right, so ulale wena uyibona ukuthi okay imarket yami iya retesta ini i-golden zone angithi yabo usuyavuka ekseni mhlawumbe uqwashile uphela obuthongo usuyaphela ku 1 hour time frame yabo, uya ku 1 hour time frame yakho uyabona ukuthi oh okay imarket yethu besilale sila angithi yabo. So uyakwazi ukuthi ke ngo4 ekseni noma mawuqala uzovuka utrader ini your Asian session angithi sinama hour guys esiwasebenzisayo for ukuscalper, then uzobe sewuscalper ngoba already imarket is on a downtrend, so you want to position yourself ukuthi ukwazi ukubamba a very nice move nawe yabona lonto leyo. Ake sithi uvuke ngabo 9 ekseni, so ngabo 9 ekseni ayisekho indlela yokungena because already imarket was pushing heavily down yabo. So uzomela iphi umele ini i-scalping hours sakho esilandelayo. Abantu abaningi batrader i-hour la ka 14 PM ngokuthi siphakathi ka November no March 2026. So isikhathi according to DST daylight saving time esi-active sokuvula kwemarket noma lesasenyokubani sekubani u14 PM ntambama angithi yabona lonto leyo, right? Njoba ke uzomela u14 PM uphi 14 PM wakho nanga yabo, usuzothatha futhi iFibonacci yakho ubeka lapha ya ubeka ngapha kuleli hour lakho lescalping angithi yabo, then bese market yenze njani boom yasinikeza u161 and then yasinikeza bani futhi yasinikeza u241 angithi yabo. Then why imarket ijika ngomdlandla omngaka ishona phezulu guys, why ijika ngomdlandla omngaka sinani sine fair value gap again angithi yabona nayi le fair value gap guys yabo, and then nansi i-high yethu la esinayo when the market was in the uptrend yabo. So sinani la sine fair value gap lana guys ayithi yabo yafike yayithinta and then yasithola amandla ingqongqoza ithi ma-bulls inkhona, ama-bulls athi yebo sikhona, and then imarket ya retester yashona le phezulu guys ayithi yabo. So this time ayifikanga ku golden zone, ijike kuphi ku 100% wani waleli yakhandlela lethu la ngo 14 PM angithi yabo ijike ku low and then yavele yajika yashona phansi guys, niyayibona ngithi lonto leyo. So that is our second way yokusebenzisa ini iFibonacci ukuze sikwazi ukuthi noma kuthiwa imarket heavy kangakanani kuyi momentum sizokwazi ukulinda i-hour elifanele bese siyayishaya ngithi yabo and khumbula njalo kuwo wonke lama steps you need to refine ama entries wakho usebenzisa ini your smaller time frame ningayikhohlwa leyo part leyo. And then what is a third way now yokusebenzisa ini iFibonacci? What is our third way mhlambe singamaka ngayo? Angithi ke sinani sine supply zone yethu la yabo. So into elule bese singayenza guys ukuthini sithatha iFibonacci yethu siyibeka la ku high and then siyibeke la phezulu kwalama green dots ngapha and then bese siyamela ini u161. So uyabona ukuthi uma usebenzisa isupply then awuloku ungena uphuma uthatha ama profit nyana amancanyana uthatha ama profit anjani are reasonable guys. So u161 wethu was no longer this candlestick uma sisebenzisa isupply. U161 wethu sekuyini sekuyileli khandlela leli ebelisinikeze u241 previously. So uyabona ukuthi your profit is extended. Angithi yabona lonto le. So I mean you will wait longer ukuthi ufike kuphi kuma profit wakho. Then mawufika la uzobona ukuthi imarket yethu ireteste bani u78% we Fibonacci because the momentum was very strong and then the bearish momentum was very strong and you can see ukuthi market mayisuka la iye yehla kakhulu yashaya bani futhi yabuyela ku 161 241 and a 341 angithi yabona lonto le. So if you are using a supply you have more opportunities to hold and wait for the market to give you a reasonable profit. Kodwa lena ngiyarecommenda for abantu abasebenzayo abangenaso isikhathi sokuhlala babuka imarket and then mangabe usebenza awusebenzi utrader full time, obviously you're going to use the way lena yekhandlela eli1 uthathe iprofit yakho uphume uhambe ukwenza ezinye izinto yabo. So if uyasebenza this is the way ongayisebenzisa because you hold for long and angeke uzutatazele kakhulu emarket guys. So guys kunoma ikuphi lena indlela eningakwazi ukuthi niyisebenzise for iFibonacci. And niyabona yini guys Amazon wethu silokhu sibusy sihambisana nawo ifikile imarket ya retesta u0 noma u-high of the previous day yasuka lapho yahluleka kumbreaker yeza phansi market ya breaker below the pivot e38.2 yeza yazosinikeza ini 100% of the previous daily time frame and yafika yayibreaker yalokhu consolidator siyayazi ki market emayenza kanje isuke isneaky kakhulu izovele yehle nje ngendlela enye ebesingayilindelanga yabona lonto leyo guys. So basop watch out. Then mawuyibheka la sifuna imarket ifike ku 161 ka daily time frame ayikakafiki, sifuna ifike ku 241 ka daily time frame ayikakafiki. So yabona ukuthi iFibonacci yakho guys mawuyisebenzisa ngendlela right uyokwazi ngempela ukuzenzela inzuzo. So guys when uzobheka ama circumstances wakho uzobheka isikhathi onaso bese uthatha indlela evumelana nesikhathi sakho. Ingakho ngithini mina guys MT415 is the language spoken by investors. Asikunqumela ukuthi usebenzise kanjani, sikunikeza ulwazi wena bese uya reviewer isikhathi sakho ubheke ukuthi eyipi indlela wena ekusebenzela